When routing a bus or a group of specific signals, you need to maintain similar etch lengths for all the signals in the group. Any difference in the transmission time of signals in a group may result in data loss. With OrCAD, you can easily resolve length issues by defining total etch length and propagation delay for your signals. Let's define and apply design rules on BGA data signals. As you can see, nets are spread between resistors, a multiplexer IC, and a BGA. Instead of defining transmission delay for the XNet, a better approach is to define delay for small sections of the XNet. We can do that easily by creating pin pairs in Constraint Manager. Let's pick the section of nets spread between the resistors and the IC. Open the Constraint Manager and select Electrical. The electrical worksheet is divided into two parts: Electrical Constraint Set and Net. Expand Net and open Min-Max Propagation Delay. Scroll down the worksheet to find nets VDX0 through VDX7. Right-click on VDX0 and select Create, then Pin Pairs. Now create a pin pair between the resistor and IC U22 and click OK. You can create pin pairs for the entire XNet and assign a delay value, but for our purposes of understanding the tool, we are creating only one pair. After creating pin pairs, enter delay values for each pair. Now, go back to the board and route the VDX signals. While routing the signals, you will also see a heads-up display providing real-time feedback so you can route the signals accurately. The next design rule is total etch length, which is used to specify the etch length of a net or XNet. Let's take a look at the highlighted nuts to understand the total length rule. Open the Constraint Manager and in the Net section of Electrical, open the Total Etch Length worksheet. Scroll to search for the highlighted nets. Since these nets need to be the same length, we can create a net group here. Select both the nets and right-click. In the right-click menu, select Create and then Net Group. Name it as GP1 and click OK. Now create an electrical C-set for this group. As you can guess, creating a C-set is the more time-efficient approach. Open the Total Etch Length worksheet in the Electrical Constraint Set section. Right-click on the board name and select Create, then Electrical C-set. Name the electrical C-set as TE1. Enter the min and max total etch values and assign the C-set to group GP1. Now, go back to the board and route the respective signals. Select the Route command from the toolbar and connect the nets. A heads-up display provides real-time feedback. You'll notice a delayed DRC error. You can easily fix this using the Delay Tune command. Select Delay Tune from the toolbar and add accordion bumps until the delays match and the DRCs are removed. Repeat the process to define propagation delay and total etch length for other signals in your design to meet transmission time criteria. With OrCAD, you can easily define transmission parameters for the signals in your design to route them accurately.